guys, so today I'm going to be doing a super quick little easy get ready with me as all of Penderghast from the movie Easy A. This is like a super fun, easy costume that I really love throwing together, and figured I might as well share it. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Hopefully it's easy to follow if you're trying to copy me, I don't know. But yeah, I'm going to start with doing like my hair and makeup and then move on to the actual outfit I'm gonna wear, and yeah, you'll see. But to start, my hair. So I curled it yesterday, and it takes me like a lot of time to curl it. So I like slept on it and everything. That's why it looks like this. So I would recommend curling your hair for this costume, but I just figured I would go with whatever I did yesterday and make it simple as that. Now in Easy A, Emma Stone has like a little like side swoop bang thing. I'm not about to like cut bangs or anything myself, but I'm wondering if I can like take a piece of hair and kind of like, you know what I mean? Like almost do like a little emo moment type thing and make it look more realistic. I don't know. We'll see. Get up the bobby pins for that. Now, this is my little disclaimer. I am not good at this stuff, so I have no promises on how this little cosplay moment's gonna turn out, but it's fun for all of us, so let me show that. That's actually not the worst thing. That's kind of cute. And I'd say that's probably more accurate than my hair was, so decent start. Now, in this movie, she has very, very minimal makeup, so I'm just gonna go through and add some little touches, I guess. I'm probably gonna do blush, mascara, maybe give my lips just like a little bit more color, but she just pretty much has like a natural face, so we're gonna try and keep it really minimal. Doing my mascara on videos is always so difficult. Okay, I've just got a little bit of mascara on, nothing crazy. And then I really want to like load the blush on because it's such a minimal face and I love blush. I feel like it really just adds that little cute rosiness to your cheeks. And she is in like high school, I think, so it kind of gives you more of a youthful look. See, you can barely tell, it barely made a difference, but to me, it really made the more natural face kind of tie together. I think I am going to do a little bit of highlight too. Again, just because it is a very minimal face. Just gives it a little extra pop. And I think for the lip, I might just do like a little bit of a rosy gloss. Something that's like, whatever. Sure. And honestly, I feel like that's pretty much it. I guess you could probably add like a little bit of freckles or something if you really want to get that more like Emma Stone sort of look, but definitely not necessary. Obviously in the movie she also has like red hair. I'm not gonna go that crazy. I'm not gonna go that far with it. You might have also noticed I have on the pearl necklace and the pearl earrings already. That's definitely a staple in this outfit. Let's move on to getting the fit, and that's pretty much it. It's a really, really super simple get ready with me cosplay. I love it. And here is the final costume. Honestly, it's so simple. You have your hair and your makeup and your pearl necklace and your pearl earrings. This is honestly just an Amazon corset, and it looks exactly like the one she wears. The hardest part of this costume is putting the A on it, honestly, but it's not even difficult. You just look up a simple stitch and super easy. And then I just chose black flats, but I don't even think they show what type of shoes she wears when she's in this little outfit. So you could do black heels, black wedges, whatever, maybe even red shoes, but I liked the black ones, and I went with flats just because it's really simple and practical. And then she does have a little pair of like sunglasses. Mine aren't exactly like hers, but you get the vibe. And then she also has just a little black bag. And there you go. There's your Olive Penderghast outfit. A for awesome.